Hi, welcome back to Think Mathic. If you're like most people, when you see fraction, your brain goes straight to panic mode. Multiplying and dividing them might seem intimidating, but I promise you, they are the easiest operation to master. We only need two simple rules. Let's conquer the fractions right now. Multiplication of fraction. So we have a simple rule to multiply straight across. Let's take an example of two fractions that we need to multiply. For example, 5 by 3 multiplied by 3 by 2. So, in this, we just need to multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. So, the answer will become 5 times 3 is 15 and 3 times 2 is 6. So, our answer is 15 by 6. Isn't that simple? Let's take another example where we are going to multiply a whole number with a fraction. For example, 3 multiplied by 2 by 5. Now, how to multiply a whole number with a fraction? Here, the whole number needs to be first changed into a fraction. So, since we do not have any denominator, we will keep it as 3 by 1 and multiply by 2 by 5. Now, we have the same process of multiplying, that is 3 multiplied by 2, that is numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. So, we are going to get our answer as 6 by 5. Let's take another set of example where a mixed fraction is multiplied with an improper fraction. So the mixed fraction is over here 5, 7 by 3 multiplied by 3 by 2. Now, first we are going to again convert a mixed fraction into an improper fraction. So we are going to multiply our denominator with the whole number, that is 3 times 5 is 15. This 15 is need to be added with the numerator, that is 15 plus 7. Yes, you are right. The answer is 22. So the fraction becomes 22 by 3 multiplied by 3 by 2. Again, the process is same, multiplying numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. So when we multiply numerator with numerator, it becomes 66 by 6. Now, few of the question also asked to convert your answer into the lowest form. So we can simply find out the common factor of 66 and 6. Since we know 6 is the highest common factor, so we are going to divide the denominator and the numerator with 6 and we will get 11 by, which can also be written as 11. There is another way of converting a fraction into the lowest form in the initial state only. That is known as the cancellation method. I'll show you how to do it. As we know, 3 is a common number, so we can cancel 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are. So we are remain 1. Now we can also cancel 22 and 2, that is 2 ones are 2 and 2 11s are 22. So we directly got our answer as 11 by 1, which can also be written as 11. Now let's take an example of multiplying a mixed fraction with a mixed fraction. So 3 1 by 4 multiply 5 2 by. So we are going to convert our mixed fraction first into an improper fraction. For converting that, we will multiply the denominator with the whole number, that becomes 12, and then we'll add the same number with the numerator, which becomes 13. So the fraction is 13 by 4. Same we are going to do with the second fraction. We are going to multiply our denominator with the whole number, that is 20, and then this 20 is going to be added with the numerator, which becomes 22 by 4. Right? Now to solve this, let's do it by the cancellation method. As you know, 22 and 4 can be cancelled with a common factor, that is 2. So I'll divide it by 2 and then 2 11s are 22 and I got 11. Now what we can do? We can directly multiply the numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. Remember, we can never cancel the denominator with the denominator. Okay, it has to be the numerator with the denominator. So 11 times 13 is equal to 143 by 8. Now, try this one yourself. I'll give it 2 minutes for this. It's very simple. Yes, you are right. The answer is going to be 2 by 15. Let's try to solve it. 1 by 5 multiply 2 by 3. As per the rule, we just need to multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. The answer is going to be 2 by 15. Amazing, you're doing it great. Division of fraction. Very simple rule. KCF. KCF means keep, change, and flip. Now, what to do in the case of division? Let's take an example of two fractions. 5 by 6 divided by 3 by 2. So it means we have to keep the first fraction as it is. That is, 5 by 6 will remain as it is. Now, change the operator sign. That means this division will become multiplication. And then flip the second fraction. That is, 3 by 2 will become 2 by 3. That is the reciprocal of the fraction. So, simple as that. Now we got multiplication sign in between. So that means we just need to multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. So our answer is going to be 10 by 18. Isn't that simple? You just need to remember the KCF. And then you'll be able to do your division of fraction very easily. Now we're going to take the another example where we're going to divide a whole number with the improper fraction. So let's take an example where 5 needs to be divided by 3 by 2. Again, we will convert this whole number into a fraction which can also be written as 5 by 1 and then divided by 3 by 2. So we remember the rule of KCF, that is keep, change and flip. So we're going to keep the fraction as it is, that is 5 by 1, change the operator sign which becomes multiplication and flip the second fraction, that is 3 by 2 will become 2 by 3. And now we're going to simply multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. So the answer will become 10 by. Now let's divide a mixed fraction with a mixed fraction. So the example over here I will take is 1 by 3 divided by 6, 1 by 2. So the first step is to convert both the mixed fraction into an improper fraction. So we're going to convert it. 3 times 2 is 6. 6 is added with 1 will become 7. So it is 7 by 3 divided by 2 times 6 is 12 and 12 plus 1 is 13. So it will become 13. Again, we'll follow the rule of KCF, that is keep the first fraction as it is, 7 by 3, change the operator sign which becomes multiplication and then flip the second fraction that becomes 2 by 13. Now we're going to multiply numerator with numerator and denominator, so it will become 14 by 39. Now try this one. 3 by 4 divided by 1 by 2. Again, I'll give you 1 minute to do it. Great, the answer is 6 by 4. Let's find out how. 3 by 4, we have to keep the first fraction as it is, change the operator sign, that will be changing division into multiplication, and flip the second fraction. So 1 by 2 will become 2 by 1. So we're going to multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. So the answer will become 6 by 4. That's it. You are now a fraction master. For multiplication, you simply multiply straight across. For division, you use the KCF method, that is keep, change and flip method, which turns it into a multiplication problem. If you find this video helpful, hit that like button. And do let me know what topic should I cover next. Let me know in the comments below. And if you want more clear math solution, make sure to subscribe to Think Mathic.